Hello everybody and welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, and welcome on board Carnival Horizon. We're going to have a look at one of the Havana Cabanas. This is 5201. So this is actually the first cabin on the corridor here. Let's have a quick look. You can see all the way to the back of the ship there. And just before we pop in the door, that's the door that goes to the public area. Just through that door, then through a second door. And you're right there. So let's head on inside. So you actually see the little energy efficient lighting. You put a card there to get the room lights working. Not really a secret, but you can kind of put any card in there and it works. It's not necessary to be your cabin key. Especially have a look at the wardrobes first because they're right here. So you've got 3 wardrobes. You've got one that's full hanging right there. I'm a little bit short of breath because I ran from deck 3 to deck 5 quickly here. There's a second one here that's got a half hanger, and that shelf can fold up so you can go to full hanger. And then the third one right here has the shelves and safe right there. So you've got the safe and shelves, and then the desk. Let's have a look at the cabin properly, shall we? So the one thing you'll notice with the Havana cabins is the wood and the color of the furniture is quite different to any of the regular Horizon cabin. You'll see that darker colors. Got the sofa right there. A little picture of Havana as well, obviously. And you can actually see the Pullman bed right here. So this can be a 3rd or 4th bed. So basically the sofa becomes a bed, and then the third is a 3rd bed, and then the upstairs bunk is the 4th berth of the cabin. So here on the desk you'll see the plugs. There's 110, 220. And then behind the water is the USB. It's a little bit hard to spot, but it's right there. Just have to believe that you saw it. Then you've got the fridge right here. Oops, we just wait, the door opens. There we go. So it's good for water, sodas, just keeping things sort of generally cold. You've got this nice big armchair right here. And then you've got the hairdryer. You've got a nice, this is actually a backlit mirror, but it's not switched on the light, so it's backlit. And the nice big bed. So there's it's an imitation 4-poster bed. You got the bed head there in the brown woods. Big inviting bed too. And the TV is just slightly off center from the bed. So if you're watching TV in bed, no worries at all. There's a bit of a scratch on the TV there, but that's going to happen sometimes. We'll just swing around. We'll look at the bathroom at the end. But you can see the cabin properly right here. I've got the nice fisheye lens on today, so you got lots of nice wide views. And we'll come out and have a look at the balcony. So you've got this slider with a bit of a lip here. So rather than a door that you see on balconies, it's like a sliding sort of patio door, I guess. And then you've got the famous chair swing right here. And then you've got a full sunbed, I guess. It's kind of like a chair with a stool as the extra one. And you can see all the other Havana cabins there, and they've all got a number. And being the first one at the back of deck 5, that's the access door, which is only openable with a room key to basically open the door from the outside. But you can let yourself out as going back the other way. So yeah, nice big balcony. You're very close to your neighbors. I'm not sure if that's sort of a positive or negative. I guess it's a good thing. And you've got a little bit of shade that comes over as well. And you can walk all the way to the back to get to the pool there rather than going through the corridor. So yeah, nice walk around of this Havana cabin.
Hello.
How are we going? You're going to be famous forever in a day. All right, this will be your cabin, Stuart, if this is your cabin in the next few weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you like the walk around. Don't forget to subscribe to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Post a comment. Let's do one last check of the bathroom, shall we? So you've got the air conditioning right there. So the bathrooms are pretty standard on all the cabins. The big difference is the different kind of brown colors right here. And then shower gel and shampoo, no conditioner. And then you've got the rail right there. And nice, you've also got the Havana amenities as well. And you've got a lot of towels. So this guy, the cabin loves to give you towels. All right, thanks everybody. Have a nice day. Catch you later.